Hello COKODIVERS, this is Jack from COKODIVE. Yay! So today we're gonna be unboxing this new beautiful merch, BTS TINYTAN mini figure. So we had back then we had idol version of mini figures, and this time we have it um, as micro, yes, version. So they're looking very pretty. I was so um, eager to do this unboxing because I really wanted to see my bias Jimin's figure, and I finally get to see it. Oh, okay. So we're gonna be unboxing each of them, and of course, in the end, not in the end, we're gonna be just giving away these like open box. So yes, let's get right into it. And in the end, you're gonna be shocked because there will be something else. Something special is coming. Who should I go first? I'll go with you, Yoongi. Yoongi, please get well. His shoulder hurts, right? Oh, I didn't prepare the knife, but I have it here. Okay, I'll be very quick. Okay, TINYTAN. Even the box is so beautiful, eh? Okay. I'm fine, sorry, I'm fine. Okay. So it's made out of PVC and ABS. Okay, made in China, but importer is yes, of course, it's a big kit company, right? Korean company. Okay, so I'll just do it. Let's open it. And let's see. Ta-da! Ta-da! Okay, I think this unboxing will be very simple because we only have a figure. Oh my goodness! Wow! Oh my god, this is so precious. So I cannot. Oh my god! Look at Yoongi's hair. Did you see him doing unboxing for B? Like he's doing this? I don't know how to do it either. Wow, look at him. This is so high quality. Like, wow. Oh, even this bandana is so beautiful. Jeez. And he's about to drop the mic because it's mic drop. And what is this? Oh, yeah. Oh my god, I can't wait to put all of them. Okay, so there's a hole here. So you can attach this. Okay, I don't want to break. Oh! Oh my god, this is so beautiful. And this one, I put it like this. Oh, okay, maybe it should be like this. So when we combine all together, it's gonna make obviously it's gonna make mic drop, right? So Yoongi is having a C letter. Oh, maybe it's this way. Yeah, this is the right way. Is it? But then we cannot see this letter. Is it supposed to be like this? Does it have any instruction? There's no instruction in the box. Okay, let's leave it like this. Oh my god, look at this, guys. Suga is crazy in this figure. I mean, he's always crazy, good looking, but in this figure, looks so beautiful. Okay, so I want to make it very neat for these unboxing. So I'll put the Yoongi Suga right here. And next is Jin. So these were first press orders, and it's still on pre-order at our website, kokodive.com, so you can check it out if you still want to order. Oh my god, this is getting me. Oh my god. god. Okay, let me. Oh, man. I was too excited, I guess, to see all of them. Okay. Okay, let's. Wow, look at his pose, and he's wearing the mic. Okay, Jin, I'll be careful. He's wearing a mic hoodie and also wearing bandana here. It looks like he's riding on a snowboard or a skateboard. Okay, there's a BHE mark at the back. Okay, can I focus it? Maybe not. Okay, so let me put him on here, on the stand. Okay, did I get it? Alright. So it's the same way as like this. And can I not really put it like this way? Because it would be so cool if I put it this way. But I don't think so. I don't know why. I'm pretty sure it should be this way. No? Okay, it's this way. I lost. Okay, we got IC right there. And next, coming up next is V. Okay, let's get him. Wow, I mean, past week was pretty busy for COKODIVE because we had the biggest sale of the year, Black Friday. Because of all your love and support, we have received so many orders from all over the world. Thank you so much. 감사합니다. And we'll do our best to send all your merch ASAP. Plus we had lots of pre-orders for BTS B album, so we did our best to send all of them. Oh yay! Ah, these are so high quality. Oh my god. I really love his bandana at the back. It really has the mic drop theme plus cuteness of all the BTS members, I guess. Okay, so we got V Taeyang. And look at their eyes. Eyes are so big and beautiful. Yeah. Okay, here we go again. I attach this, and I'll be very careful because you giveaway winners will receive this open box figures. And am I going to make this? Okay, so I got O there, so MIC should be here and O must be here, right? Because DROP. Okay, so here we go more. We got J-Hope. Okay. Oh, and there were different written words at the side of this box. So Mike Bungie, right? That was J-Hope's lyric. Let's see. And he's really cute with this red hair, right? J-Hope, let's see how you look like. Ah, so cute. Love his what is this, sweatpants and sweatshirt here. J-Hope is open. And okay, that was the easy way. How smart I am. Okay, I'll show you guys how J-Hope looked like. Really good dancer. I mean, the one of the greatest dancer in the world, I bet. Wow, and J-Hope at the back. So cute. Oh my god. All of them are very handsome and cute. These figures. And congrats to BTS for winning #1 for Billboard 200 and Hot 100. Wow, they're dominating the world for real. I couldn't believe Life Goes On will be getting the first place, but they did. Wow. So J-Hope with D. So D goes here. This is mic drop. Alright. And then coming up next, of course I'll do my bias Jimin in the end. And I'll go with RM. And have you guys seen our new YouTube manager, Shen? She's really cool, and I really loved her unboxing style. It matches with COKODIVE's vibe. She's very positive and very talented. I'm so happy to work with her. So she will be doing a lot of fun and exciting unboxing video as well. So I hope all the Cokodivers will like her as well. Okay, we're going for Namjoon, RM, leader of BTS. Let's get it. So now I'm good at it. Okay. Ah, this is so like it's like a dream to collect all of this for real. Oh, so he's in front, Mike. Okay, this is how rapper pose, right? This is how they do it. You know? Oh, I really love his hair. His purple hair. Okay. Woo! So handsome with his bling bling necklace. Okay, so RM goes MIC, the first letter of MIC, Mike. And Jin is I. And Suga is C. And D is J-Hope. And now we have R and P. So let's go for Golden Maknae Jungkook, JK. Let's get it. Okay. Woo! JK is talented in every way. All the way? Every way. From singing to dancing to his face to his body to... Oh, JK is perfect, man. He's young as well. He's young and rich now. Okay. JK's box is about to open. And oh, and even I didn't realize there's their name here, over here. And it's so cute. What's wrong? With his bucket head. Oh my god, brown-eyed handsome man. This is so cute. Oh, and this, I mean, I really love the quality of this figure. So good. So realistic in motion. And it really matches with their face as well. Okay, okay. So he has the hole in front leg. Oh, like this. Okay, and I didn't explain these letters as well. So there's their name. Okay, JK gets okay, he's P, so he should be in the end. He should be in the end. Okay, can I get everyone inside the camera? I don't think so. So I'll maybe make it like a little bit of square. So in the end, we make the perfect photo. Can we? Or maybe I'll just zoom out in the end. Sorry, JK. And finally, we get to unbox Jimin이, 박지민. Okay, his part. Another trophy. Yes, they have so many trophies in the bag. I wish I can see it. And I think they're getting another trophy for winning. Who knows? But they were nominated by Grammy, so hopefully they can win the best group in Grammy. Hopefully. Let's pray and let's vote for them. Can we vote? I don't think so, right? Oh no! Jimina! Oh, he's so adorable. He did this again to show off his shoulder. He must do this. And this detail, look at his detail in his ear. His earrings are so beautiful. And with his yellow hair, he's making yo pose. I'm gonna own every single of them. And especially Jimin. I'll look at you all the time. Okay. Wow. So this is perfect actually. So I got an idea. Okay. I'm not gonna lose this time. Okay, so Jimin gets R, right? So if we make it like this, we can get all of them in the camera. So I don't have to zoom out. Gee! Woo! Okay, all the members are here. Wow, this is so cute. Maybe I should make mic drop music video with these figures. I think that would be a good idea, isn't it? Okay, so I will actually have one more surprise, which is woo! Okay, TINYTAN Christmas doll. So I actually have all 7 of them here with me, but I think the video will be too long to show each one of them. So I'll maybe just show JK and finish this video. This is crazy. I mean, whenever I do unboxing for BTS related stuff, I sweat a lot because I'm very nervous to see this beautiful new merch, and at the same time I'm very excited to see all of them. Okay, so don't worry, like I brought all 7 of them here. Like we have Tae here, but I'm gonna be opening JK, but you know COKODIVE loves giveaway, so I'm gonna give away all 7 of them. So you can join our giveaway. And also I uploaded the photo of each one of them, so you can check it out. So let's see how JK looks like. Even these are beautiful package. Look at this, like Christmas edition, right? He looks so cute. Him. Purple holidays. Wish you purple holiday. Wish you purple holiday. Oh my god. Look at this. How cute. I was gonna do the live unboxing for these, but then this time recording. Okay, can I pull it up? Giveaway winner. Okay. Ah, so this is pretty big. Okay, don't want to break this. Look at JK! Wow! Oh my god, okay. It matches with his face here. Brown eyes. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, and oh, I think I can move a little bit of their legs and hands. And even these oh! So this is attachable? Wow, okay. So can I maybe not? Really? What? 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 Wow, this is amazing. So maybe I can customize. See? This way I can customize for sure. Is it possible to remove his baby? Wow, we can. That means you can maybe okay, sorry, barefoot JK. It's Christmas time and I don't want you to be cold. Oh, maybe we can like make them gloves and maybe new hat, new cap, and new shoes. And even, okay, we can, okay, we don't want this to be rated R. No, let's stop it. Okay, you're too cold. Okay, this is so amazing. Like you can make their clothes and or you can buy them new clothes. Wow, worth to have it, I guess. All right, so giveaway winner, you will be very lucky to receive these TINYTAN mini figure plus Christmas dolls. Okay, so that was everything for my unboxing, and thanks for watching. And the rules will be in the description. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll be coming back with another video hopefully soon. And thanks for watching, everyone. Bye, COKODIVERS. Thank you. Love you.